Hi everyone, my name is Pele Renata and welcome to my channel. As you might know, I made a little series of experimenting with foam stamps, and today I will be experimenting using pigment powders. The first one which I will be using is the PaperArtsy Infusion. For those of you who are not familiar with infusions, they are made of fine permanent dye color pigment mixed with the walnut crystal particles. Another important thing to say about infusions is they react beautifully with water, as you will see soon. As here I sprayed water directly on the foam stamp in order to lift up the pigment. This gives a very subtle and beautiful result. I hope you can see here how it looks. And since I still had some infusions on my mat, I will use them to do some stamping too. I will do stamping with two different Joggles foam stamps. The first one is called Starry Night Spirals, and the second one, which you will see now, is called Script. Now if you look at my background, you can see so many different shades and tints, but keep in mind I used only one single infusion. Beautiful, right? The other pigment powders that I will use are the Nuvo Shimmer powders from Tonic Studios. And here I thought first to put the paint on the mat and pick it up, but I realized I wanted the color to be more intense. So I decided to lay the powder directly on my paper and spread it with water. After drying the first layer of paint, I will apply the second one, but instead of putting the powder directly on the paper, I will put it on the mat, spray some water on it, and use one of the Joggles foam stamps called Peacock Spirals. This gave really beautiful shimmering effect on the printed pattern. So I thought while we are at it, let's add a little bit of script too. Now you can see two beautiful backgrounds that I have achieved, and soon I will be posting more videos with more experiments. But until then, check out the previous videos and subscribe to my channel. Bye!